other than appearing in your books and devices. There are more hiding in your devices than in books. They can't escape now or then. Then again, their meanings and spellings are different. You guessed right. Then are homophones. Words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. And with a few memory tricks and some examples, you will remember how and when to use them correctly. What makes these two words sound the same is that they both have T, H, and N in common. But they are differently pronounced because of their vowels A and E. First, we have than, T-H-A-N. Than shares the same vowel sound as ran and can. Usually, you'll find a descriptive word before than. For example, better than, taller than, more than, less than, rather than. Than is a conjunction because it's used to connect clauses or sentences or coordinate words in the same clause. Most importantly, than is used to introduce a comparison between two things. It's important to keep in mind, no matter what you are comparing, whether it be time, money, speed, if a comparison is taking place, than is the correct word choice. Did you notice the emphasized vowel in the words compare and comparison? This will help you to remember that than also has the same letter A. Find the adjective before than. It highlights the difference between two separate things. For example, I'm taller than my brother. The adjective here is taller. Your phone gets a better signal than mine. Better is the adjective. I think pasta is more filling than salad. More is the adjective. Also used in mathematical expressions. 6 is greater than 3. Or 6 is less than 12. Also used when you prefer to do one thing over the other. I'd rather play a game than listen to music. I'd rather run than walk home. Some of these common phrases should sound familiar. I like to get home sooner rather than later. Sooner rather than later. That's easier said than done. Easier said than done. I guess it's better late than never. Better late than never. Let's try another sentence. Which expression is correct? Okay, great. See you then. Or, okay, great. See you then. Notice how the first selection shows no comparison, but the second selection shows a time expression. So the second choice, THEN, is the correct answer. Okay, great. See you then. This brings us to the second homophone in this episode. Then, THEN. Then shares the same vowel sound as the number 10 and the word pen. Then can be an adverb, an adjective, or a noun. Then has several different functions, but it is mostly used as either an adverb or an adjective. But then is primarily used for time expressions. Time and then both have an E. However, let's not focus on literal clocks. Let's focus on time expressions instead. As an adverb, then is used to communicate when things are in a sequential order, next in order or place or time, at that specific time. In addition, or besides, or moreover. Or as a result in that case. Let's look at samples of each. Next in order. She finished work and then went to meet some friends. Work came first, friends were after. We saw a movie and then went out for dinner. A movie was first, dinner was second. We filled up the car, then began the trip. First the gas station, and the trip after. when referring to a specific point in the past. We didn't have cell phones back then. Here, there's a reference to the past, when cell phones did not exist. Here the time reference are in the near future or soon. I can't chat in the morning, I'll be in class then. He'll be in class in the morning. Come over this afternoon, I'll be ready then. He or she will be ready in the afternoon. Then can also be used in connecting two activities. First, you need a license and then you can drive. Again, there's two connections being made. The glasses are $100 and then there's sales tax, $100 plus tax. Charge your phone, then you need to send a text. Phone charge and the text message. When it's used as a result of something, as a result can take the place of the word then. If I don't pay my bill tonight, then they'll charge me a late fee. If I don't pay my bill tonight, as a result, they'll charge me a late fee. Then can also take the place of in that case. If the weather is good, then my flight won't get canceled. If the weather is good, in that case, my flight won't get canceled. When I register to vote, then I'll be able to go vote. When I register to vote, as a result, I'll be able to go vote. Then as an adjective, can be used as being so at that time and different in the past. For example, my then roommate didn't want a cat. Here, there's a reference to the past. My roommate in the past. Here are some common phrases that should sound familiar. He does his work and then some. And then some. Eating out now and then can be pricey. Now and then. I called a professional right then and there. Right then and there. Let's try another sentence. Which expression is correct? I want to eat now rather than later. I want to eat now rather than later. Notice there's a comparison in the first one, and notice the adjective rather before the word than, THAN. But there's no time expression in the second. So the correct answer is the first one, THAN. Let's review. Then, THAN sounds like can. As a conjunction is used to join clauses and sentences, but most importantly, it's used for comparisons. Then, THEN sounds like pen. Can be used as an adverb primarily or an adjective, and it's used to express time. Let's practice. I'm going to order salad first. I'll think about the main course. Is this a comparison or something sequential? It's an order. I'm going to order salad first. Then I'll think about the main course, which comes after. If you're trying to save money, we shouldn't go out to dinner. Is this a comparison or can it be as a result of something? Is there an adjective present? No. So again, this is as a result. If you're trying to save money, as a result, we shouldn't go out to dinner. So the correct answer is then, THEN. It's hotter an oven in here. Comparison or an order. Is there an adjective? Yes, there's an adjective. The word hotter. So the correct answer, it's hotter than an oven in here. THAN. Her best friend later became her boss. Is it a comparison or is there a time reference being made? Is there an adjective? No adjective. So the correct answer? Her then best friend later became her boss. THEN. Now you have a better understanding of how to pronounce and use these two homophone words, than and then. Please check the video description for additional fun activities. Thank you for joining me in this episode of Word Wars. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.